Hello, good afternoon, Darcy with Media Mechanic. Here's that short video I was talking about with you on the phone yesterday. So, I usually go through websites. Today we're going to walk through Google a little bit. I'm going to review some other landscaping companies' websites and offer some insight to how I can help improve your online awareness. So when I type in landscaping Edmonton, those are two keywords that people are using to search for landscaping services in Edmonton. The ad section is a pay-to-play section up top. This next section below is the name, address, and phone number area. So we call it the NAPPAC. Basically, citations are local listings of Better Business Bureau, Yelp, 411. Those are a couple examples of the local listings that, out of thousands, that are generally free to put your company name, address, and phone number into. And the more citations you have, the higher you'll sit in the NAPPAC. Now, of course, below the NAPPAC is the organic search section, and with a well-optimized website, you can get your website sitting as the number one location here. So content, citations, and backlinks. Those are the three high-ranking factors that will get your company online easily to for people to search. Newhart was top of the NAPPAC with an ad. So if we look at their section here, they've got some content. Content is your pictures, your words, your keywords here. Landscaping Edmonton. Google's looking for 1,500 to 2,000 words. That's the sweet zone that Google's, really giving the websites more attention that have that much content. Citations and backlinks, those are the other two factors. How do we know about those? Well, we use this paid-for tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs gives us a trust and strength value. Should be closer to a 1-to-1 ratio here. And what we're looking at is the number of backlinks, the citations, organic keywords that you're ranking for. These, and again, those are the three factors. And then how many people are visiting your website approximately a month. So the backlinks, just brief information on that. Those are other websites linking back to your website. And not all backlinks are valued or looked at equally. So the relevant backlinks that are other websites in your industry, they'll give you a stronger backlink than, say, a Pizza Hut. Referring domains, again, the more referring domains you have, the higher you're going to sit in the NAPPAC, and how many keywords you're ranking for. And your keywords are something we can search in every website through this tool. And with those keywords, we know the volume, keyword difficulty, and the position that your company's website is sitting in Google's eyes. Retaining walls, approximately 100 people a month are looking for information on a retaining wall, and the keyword difficulty is 1. So it's a little bit easier to rank when the keyword difficulty is lower. If we look into Park Landscaping's website, good website, everything's really good. And again, saving the pictures, you want to use keywords here when you save it to optimize your site. Give you some insight to Parks landscaping website. Now it looks like they have 130 do follow links. It says referring domains, and the higher the relevancy and the do follows, the more authority you're going to get. So I hope this offers some insight to what I see as a digital marketer and how I can help you rank a website. Many thanks for your time here. get back to me with some insight, see if I added some value. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Many thanks.